Chapter 7.2 List Manipulation in Pygame 0. 8. How to sort list in descending order.
How can I order the items in the list in descending order?
You can order the items in the list in descending order, setting a reverse parameter as an optional argument with the sort method. Setting reverse equals true sorts the list in the descending order. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
This code sorts the list in the descending order. Let's run this code. The items in the list are drawn in descending order of alphabets.